CAT 16M3, 18M3 location of components hydraulic system. My name is Jose Rodriguez, Technical Service Instructor. Components hydraulic system. Hydraulic tank, 1. Rear control valve stack, 2. Blade lift cylinders, 3. Front control valve stack, 4. Implement electronic control module, ECM, 5. Oil filter, pilot, 7. Joystick control, 8. Shutoff valve, 9. Blade tip cylinder, 10. Side shift cylinder, 11. Center shift cylinder, 12. Swivel, 13. Circle drive motor, 14. Variable blade float, if equipped, 15. Wheel lean cylinder, 16. Articulation cylinders, 6. Blade accumulators, if equipped, 17. Center shift lock, 18. Oil filter, hydraulic return, 19. Implement pump, 20. Pilot control manifold, 21. Implement control valves. Control valves, 1. Are located at the front of the machine. Implement control valves. Control valves, 2. Are located on the frame in front of the cab. There are 8 standard implement control valves on each machine. There is a maximum of 14 implement control valves that can be installed on each machine. The implement control valves are mounted in 2 different locations. Valve bank, 1. Is mounted on the frame near the front of the machine. Valve bank, 2. Is mounted on the frame in front of the cab. The implement control valves direct oil to the corresponding implements. Oil filter, pilot. The implement pilot oil filter is located under the cab on the right-hand side of the machine. The implement pilot oil filter removes debris from the pilot oil for the implement solenoid valves. Shutoff valve. The shutoff valve is mounted on the right-hand side of the frame in front of the cab. The shutoff valve contains the implement lockout solenoid valve. Pilot control manifold. The pilot control manifold is located at the service center near the rear of the machine. The control manifold directs pilot oil to the implement control valves. Hydraulic tank. The hydraulic tank is located between the engine and the radiator. Piston pump, implement and steering. The implement and steering pump is located below the hydraulic tank. The implement and steering pump is a variable displacement axial piston pump. Oil filter, hydraulic return. The hydraulic filter is located in front of the hydraulic tank. The oil filter removes debris from the hydraulic system. Center shift lock. The center shift lock is located on the center of the link bar. The center shift lock prevents the circle from moving to either side of the machine when the center shift lock is engaged. Center shift cylinder. The center shift cylinder is mounted to the link bar and the circle. Side shift cylinder. The side shift cylinder is located on the rear side of the blade. Blade tip cylinder. The blade tip cylinder is located on the rear side of the blade. Blade lift cylinders. View of left blade right cylinder. The blade lift cylinders are mounted to each side of the blade. Articulation cylinders. The articulation cylinders are mounted to each side of the machine under the cab. Wheel lean cylinder. The wheel lean cylinder is mounted to the front axle on the right-hand side of the machine. Circle drive motor. The circle drive motor is located in the center of the circle. Swivel. The swivel is located in the center of the circle. The swivel allows for usage of the blade tip cylinder and the side shift cylinder as the circle is rotated. Joystick controls. The joystick controls are located inside the cab on both sides of the seat for the operator. The joystick controls send an electrical signal to the solenoids of the hydraulic system. Implement electronic control module, ECM. The implement ECM are located inside the cab behind the seat for the operator. Blade cushion accumulators, if equipped. The blade cushion accumulators are mounted on the frame in front of the blade lift cylinders. The accumulators cushion the head end of the cylinder from sudden rises in pressure. Variable float, if equipped. The variable blade float is mounted on the frame in back of the blade lift cylinders. Continuous hydraulic flow over a variable relief valve provides lifting force on the drawbar, the circle, and mold bar. The weight to the ground of the drawbar, the circle, and mold bar will be reduced. The end.